They are. The cost of everything has felt like it's going up, right? And insurance premiums are no different here. This is state government trying to keep rates lower for people if they're raised unnecessarily or excessively. Many insurance companies argue the new rules could limit competition and raise rates anyway. This summer's storm damage
Tornado took the roof off.
has left many wondering how they'll afford to rebuild.
It breaks my heart to see people losing their homes.
Balancing construction and everyday costs with insurance premiums.
With the power to object to rate increases so consumers won't be left holding the bag.
New legislation signed today
And the moment they need protections they paid for, too many are dropped.
requires home and auto insurers to answer the state's questions about rate hikes and mandates refunds to consumers if they overcharge. Chicago mayoral candidate and current Secretary of State Alexi Janulius joined Governor Pritzker in this announcement. They've been pushing for this legislation for years.
The cost of mandatory auto insurance has become absolutely unsustainable, forcing impossible choices between paying for coverage and paying for life's basic necessities.
Unfortunately, sets up a system that is just less competitive, it's less affordable, and it's less predictable. And if any industry needs predictability, it's the insurance industry.
Brian Christenberry represents around 200 insurance carriers with the National Association of Mutual Insurance Companies. They oppose the idea, say it'll decrease competition in the marketplace and make it more expensive for consumers.
When we look at insurance, it's based on math. It's not based on feelings.
We spoke with a few critics earlier that say the math doesn't really add up.
We brought their concerns to the governor.
It's silly to suggest that this is going to raise rates across the board for me. What's raising rates are when insurance companies are simply putting out their bills that people can't afford and that don't have any relationship to what's actually happening on the ground.
In fairness, Marie, if there were any sort of rate hikes associated with this change, that could actually take years to manifest, and even critics agree on that, so we'll have to wait and see if that happens. Marie.